Are you captivated by the world of video creation, but feel a little held back by lack of editing expertise? Well, fear not. In today's AI Academy session, we'll unveil the secrets to transforming your raw footage into breathtaking cinematic gems. No prior experience necessary. And the key to this creative revolution? The AI technology within Microsoft Clipchamp. Prepare to be amazed. Clipchamp is the go-to solution for crafting professional-grade videos with ease. Whether it's for social media, sharing memories, or for business needs, Clipchamp empowers you to produce compelling content effortlessly. Available at no cost, Clipchamp can be accessed as a Windows app or via any device's browser, offering unparalleled flexibility. Plus, Microsoft 365 subscribers enjoy exclusive perks like premium effects and seamless cloud storage integration with OneDrive, enhancing your video editing journey. That journey can also start from anywhere. It could be capturing holiday memories, academic assignments, gaming highlights, or a tribute for a retiring colleague. In fact, creating videos is a common need for a lot of us. If you're daunted by complex editing tools or short on time, Clipchamp's AI-powered features are here to assist. Just launch Clipchamp and let the AI streamline your video editing process, saving you valuable time and effort. So how'd you do it? Well, let's dive in by launching the app or visiting app.clipchamp.com on your browser. Once you're in, sign in with your Microsoft account either through clipchamp.com, the mobile app, or the PC application. Now, look for the Create a Video with AI option in the top right corner and click it so that you can embark on your video making journey. And it couldn't be simpler. Title your video however you like. Then drag and drop your chosen media files into the project. Next, select a video style. It's as easy as giving a thumbs up or down to a suggestion. With a vast selection at your fingertips, pick the style that resonates with your video's vibe the most. Not quite right? Well, then a thumbs down will do. Found the perfect match? Thumbs up it is. Your votes help Clipchamp tailor suggestions to your taste. Or if you're feeling adventurous, let Clipchamp take the reins with the Choose For Me option. We're almost there. Decide on your video's length, choose between a horizontal or vertical format, and proceed to the next step. Select your background music and font style while enjoying a live preview of your masterpiece too. If the final cut doesn't quite capture your vision, simply select Create a New Version. Clipchamp's then going to work its magic, offering new transitions, stickers and tunes until you're delighted with the outcome. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, sharing those cherished holiday memories with friends and family. Simply click on Export to bring your video into the world. You can generate a shareable link or even better, upload it directly to your favourite social networks for instant applause. But wait, there's more. If you feel the creative spark and wish to add a personal touch, select Edit in Timeline. This will transition you to Clipchamp's comprehensive editing suite, where you can fine-tune your video as if you were the director from the very start. Don't forget, there are also more AI features in the full timeline view, such as adding the wonderful text-to-speech tool too, if you'd like to add some voiceover, but you don't quite fancy your own voice being featured. And voila! You've just witnessed the magic of Clipchamp's AI effortlessly crafting a stunning video in no time. It's the perfect blend of simplicity and innovation, all at your fingertips to save you some time. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Clipchamp and the Auto Compose feature, so jump into the comment section and share your experience with us. But that's a wrap on this AI Academy video, so be sure to join us on the next one. Bye!